What's up, my math peoples? It's me, the math animal, with my special math guest today.
Mrs. Bailey. Today we will be learning about fractions that are parts of a set.
When we learned about fractions that are parts of a set, there are some big differences in the rules that were not true when we learned about fractions that were parts of the whole.
A big difference is when we look at the pieces of a set as a fraction, the pieces do not have to be congruent or identical.
This set of objects is considered the whole set. The denominator would be 6 since it makes the whole. And if asked what fraction of domino pieces were in the set, I could say 2 out of 6, or 2/6.
Let's practice reading a few fractions as a part of a set.
For the next activity, you guys are going to look at a set, and you're going to count the special numerator, and then I'll give you about 10 seconds to figure it out, and then we'll actually give you the answer so you can kind of check yourself. All right, good luck. Remember, the numerator is that top number, and it's that special interest piece of a fraction. So if I say rocks for the first problem, we're going to count the rocks for the top number, and the bottom number will be the denominator, which is the total of all the pieces, including those rocks. The numerator is rocks. The answer is 3/6.
The numerator is pink eggs. The fraction is 3/12.
The numerator is construction vehicles. The answer is 2/4.
The numerator is orange buttons. The answer is 2/8.
We look at parts of a set as a fraction because
It is a way of quickly showing that each part of a set is an equal part, even if it isn't the same size or shape.